Solmelu Matere class Enchalar Nicol Mata. So today's trip is we are going towards Ooty, and the time right now is, what's the time? 6:45. 6:45 is the time now, and we will be heading towards Ooty via Mysore, I guess, most probably. So waiting for Yash. He will be picking me up along with Vindhya and her father. So we will be going from Mangalore towards Ooty. So estimated journey is around 9 hours 15 minutes. We should be reaching maybe by evening or so. So on the way, I'll let you know what and all has happened, what and all is going on. So be in the journey. Cloud blue color water si blue undu paint the color samat ancha blue uppandu. We have come for our lunch, and the variety of items is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 items. This is the jola roti. What
How is it?
It is jola the roti is like
Which
chapati.
one is good in that?
Jola the roti is like chapati.
Chapati on
Chapati
How is it?
It's good. Chapati taste. Yeah, like chapati. How do you feel? You have. You start having. You tell.
Okay, this is very tough.
This is your first time having jola the roti. Then review the jola the roti. You have one bite along with the, what is it, badanada curry?
It's very soft.
We haven't no jola the roti.
Where?
I'm going to this one.
ಹೆಂಗನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ?
Nalla irukku.
ಆದ್ಯ ರಾಜು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಬಾರ್ಪ ಕರ್ಮ ಇದು ಅಲ್ಪತಲು ಇದು ದಾದೇವು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಪುನಿ ಅಗಲು ಬಲೆ ನಿಂತಿರ್ದು ಬಲೆ.
And use toilet is under that.
And we are there in Bandipur. Welcome to Bandipur.
Just down.
We are in Bandipur. Hey, reverse going. Kalre. Hey, look at the birds there. Birds. Those birds.
Where?
See there. See there.
On the floor.
Oh, yeah.
We have arrived at Ooty, and first thing we do is have coffee.
First thing is
How is coffee?
chelling the coffee. This guys. First thing.
See this. If I do little this side, it's going to shake. See?
But dancing car was over. Now dancing table also.
Check out that view. See that view. This is our Ooty. Ooty the view. We view that becha coffee, and this is the becha. Cheers. Cheers.
Here's for Khali.
Oh yeah. We have reached our stay, and here we are. This is the corridor. We have parked our car somewhere up where the falls view is there, but we'll show you in the morning.
Now we are in the video.
Yeah,
Namaskara friends. ತುಂಬ ಚಳಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಚಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವ ನಡಕ್ತಿದೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಚಳಿಯೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
ಚಡ್ಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟೀ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಜರ್ಕಿನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನಡಕ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇವನು ಈಗ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು
ನನಗೆ ಸಹ ಚಳಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಚಳಿ. ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಇದು ವ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಾರಿ, ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. GoPro is superb.
You tell about the stay.
Okay.
First
Guys,
is the stay,
Nish will show us the stay. Come, I'll record. Come, guys. You also come behind.
Tamba. Call coming. Later. This is now.
Oh, call later. Okay. Where calls? No. This guy cut your call. Rejected your call. Okay.
So we are entering the room. This is the room. This is what we have. A very nice hall, and we have a nice frame over here
Avatars.
of all the avatars here, and we have a nice bookshelf here. If you want to come, you want to read the books. We have all types of books here.
It is not for us, guys. Clearly not meant for us.
Whatever books you want, you can read over here. You can simply sit over here and see which part of the world you want to go. You close your eyes and you point like this. Whatever, where is this showing? China, Churchill.
Damar, guys.
So you can plan it that way. This is the review
This
board.
guy has sat here also, guys.
This is the review board. That is the dining table over there. We can have food over there. I will show you the non-smoking area here. We have a very nice big the TVs is over here. The saucer is here. We can make coffee, tea and all is there here. If you want, you can make it.
And
We have a nice view which will be showing you in the morning. So we will do like this roll out, and then we will show, inshallah, if everything works. We have a nice bed over here. We have a corridor over here. A nice veranda. Oh, what gali!
oh shit.
We will show this in the morning. The morning view will be better. We have some tea yesterday. And a nice, very the big
Fall.
bed. We have a nice. The camera moved over.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ನಡತ್ತೆ ಬಿಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಪೆ.
And this is the bed. And here we have one chair here. One chair kortir here.
This big sofa is there.
One chair and nice sofa. Here we have changing room. Nice changing room. Undies and all if you want to do. And we have chappals and all here. We have extra mattress and extra these things. You can keep our luggages over here. This is a nice big washroom. Very big washroom.
This is like my room. This big. This is my room, guys.
What is it?
That room.
Oh, that room. So we have one room there and one. Okay, this is the second room. It's the same thing. Bed is there. What is there? Washroom is there. All is there. So that's all. And here we have a view, which will show in the morning. And that is the Ladakh wala painting which our Colonel Saab told. This is a nice Ladakh room. That's it. Enough. Adu bed. Adu our room ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು room same. Oh yeah, there is a nice painting here. Washroom is the same.
Pirates of Caribbean.
So that's it. There is a kitchen, which will be getting the food later. We will show you in the morning. So see you in the morning. We will relax now. Now it is dinner time.
Like
we
this.
have a lot of.
Shut up. I can't.
We
do
have a
that.
lot of items here. What is this? Chicken fried rice. We have chicken pakoda. We have rice and rajma, and we have some sambar, and all of these items. And let's just one spoon. Let us taste it. How is it? Food is yummy. Welcome to Ooty, and this is our view outside. So this is how the mountains are looking, and there is a falls, a beautiful falls. Amazing view of the mountains. Now we are saying good morning to Vindhya. Vindhya, how is the view?
Hi, The view is Chummeshwari, guys.
This is the view. That is the falls that you can see. See, this is how the contrast it should be. This is how nice contrast it is. Wow.
You see, only there sunrays are falling.
Ah,
Can you see? Only light green.
exactly.
And the clouds
there.
are moving. There, if you
What is
keep
moving?
it, clouds. The cotton candies.
Yes. It's moving there. But for y'all, what view, Yavat? When you come out only for you.
You will see the Metupalayam plains, and there is a there's a Metur lake below. Absolutely, you are right on top, and it just falls off, and you got plain land. Alternatively, people come there for the cloud view. You are blanketed by cloud below.
Nice.
That happens in the afternoon. You can look at these clouds. They go that way.
But I think the thing should be clear. It should not be raining type of thing, no?
It's got its beauty both sides.
Both sides.
Fast.
There is wildlife until
There's a flat land. Quite often there's a leopard which comes and sits.
Ooh.
I in fact got my bird scope, which was in Bangalore. I got also excited about it because I was told by the guards, they said, "Saab, one guard told me, हर रोज ही कभी कभी आता है, क्यों आता है उधर?" And then I have this thing. I go down to the chai, and there's a chai stall below.
Okay.
I walk up here, then I go down to the chai stall, have some chai there. Even though I can have chai there, I like it.
Yeah.
You can see the waterfall also. Maybe we'll go there.
Okay.
In fact, I was trying to.
Set
Instead
it.
of all this, I was
Yeah.
trying to click something off, but I could not really get anything good. That old man there also told me, I was asking him, he said, "Ama sir, மேலே ஒரு flat area இருக்கு. Leopard comes and sits there."
Ooh.
ओम शनि देवाय नमो नमः। ओम शनि देवाय नमो नमः। हर हर महादेव, हर हर महादेव।
Oh. The amount of colors, the amount of colors. The amount of colors.
Beautiful.
लेकिन ये बटन को क्लिक कर दो सेव है वीडियो
So this is our afternoon view with the falls, the nice road, nice valleys, the mountains, the tea estate, and our stay over there, and a nice tea estate over there. Look at the sky, the sky. We have a very nice view, and the weather is very clear today. So let's see if we can fly the drone. The drone is getting ready. We'll fly the drone and we'll check out the drone view. This room's view is the waterfalls.
This also should be seen.
This is the waterfalls.
It will be seen.
Entire waterfalls can be seen over here. Look at the view. GoPro എങ്ങനെ സൂപ്പർ അല്ലേ? എങ്ങനെ
നല്ല ഇருக்கு
നല്ല ഇരിക്കല്ലേ? സൂപ്പർ ഇരിക്കല്ലേ?
നല്ല ഇருக்கு.
So today's plan is we will be exploring Ooty, and for tomorrow we will also be doing the toy train ride, and we have done the booking. So this is the booking that we have done from IRCTC app. In detail video I think I'll do it, maybe if you want it I can tell you how exactly we will be doing it, and also show you the entire journey about the Ooty toy ride. So till then, let's see. We will be going around Ooty. We will explore it. There's also an echo rock. We'll be looking at that one as well. So let's see. For now we are chilling.